Hello all and welcome to this short tutorial on how to connect your PS4 controller to your iPad. The process is the same for all wireless Xbox and PlayStation controllers. However, today I'll be showing you using the PS4 handset. You will need to have iOS 13 or above in order to complete the connection. Also, before we start, make sure that your controller is charged, just so that you don't get caught short with a dead battery whilst playing. Without further ado, let's go ahead and connect this controller to this iPad. Firstly, make sure that the iPad's Bluetooth is switched on. Then hold down both the PlayStation and the share button of the controller for just a few seconds until the LED flashes white. Next, jump into your iPad Bluetooth settings, where you'll see in the other devices the controller. Click on this option. From there, your handset will be connected to your device. To confirm the connection, the LED will shine a reddy pink colour. You won't be able to navigate through your iPad using the controller. It will only be usable during games that support MFI controllers. There is a wide selection of games on the App Store that are compatible, so you won't be short of choice when it comes to what game to play. The response rate is rapid. By connecting your gaming controller, you are able to effectively achieve the same gaming experience of a game console, as you'll be able to create a more comfortable and convenient setup. So grab yourself the perfect standing case and sit back and enjoy playing your favourite games. To disconnect the controller from your iPad, go into your Bluetooth settings and click on the DualSense controller, to which it will then disconnect. If you do not do this, it will stay connected, which will cause implications for when you want to reconnect to your games console. If you have any questions about connecting your controller, please ask away in the comments below. Head over to our website to see some of the best accessories for the iPad Pro and PS4. For more content regarding the latest tech and mobile accessories, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.